Hi guys, I'm doing unboxing for the Ring Video Doorbell 2 with CHIME package. Go. Okay, let's open the package. This Video Doorbell 2, you could wire it up as hot wire, or else you could have it run on battery. It's this instruction how to install the doorbell. Okay. Come with screwdriver and a masonry drill bit. Okay. And a CHIME. Let's see. Additional cover plate. And the battery. Okay, come with a diode. So what this is, if you have a existing doorbell that's digital which play music, this diode is required for the Ring doorbell to work with your digital CHIME. And I'll give you 2 extension wire just in case if you open up the doorbell button and the wire doesn't reach the Ring doorbell, and you just use this to extend the wire out. I guess this plug adapter is for the CHIME. So what this CHIME does is you plug into an outlet inside your house. Every time someone rings the Ring doorbell, it alerts you. Okay. And it's the Ring doorbell. It's already have a bronze cover plate on it. A plastic anchor and screw to mount the doorbell. And a USB, micro USB cable to charge the battery. So every 6 months, probably the battery lasts up to 6 months, and after that you have to pull it out and recharge it, and then put it back in again. Or what you could do, you could buy additional battery and pre-charge it, and then every time just you swap it. That's a lot quicker that way. I think the battery, it's $29 on ring.com if you want to order one. Okay, and that's everything. I guess no, there's one more. And mounting bracket. Okay, this one. So even though when you hotwire this to your existing doorbell, it's require 8 to 16 volt transformer. And the battery have to be installed, because what that does is it charges the battery, so you don't have to keep removing the battery to charge it. It stays inside there permanently. That's if you have an existing doorbell. If you don't, then every 6 months you have to remove the battery and charge it and put it back in. Okay, you go, and this Ring doorbell should be 1080p. This motion sensor sends 160 degrees with the built-in microphone and speaker. and it's instantly notify you if there's any alerts or detects any type of motion. It will send a alert through your notification to your phone. And what this is, it records on cloud. So if you don't pay the $3 per month for the Ring service, it doesn't save any recording. All you could do is just live view. But if you pay the $3 per month, you could save the recording every time it detects any type of motion. Or you could do, if you have multiple Ring device, a unit, what you could do is you could sign up for the Protect Plus plan, which is $100 per year, and you get unlimited camera added to your account for $100 a year. That's a good deal. If you have like 4 or 5 unit of the Ring, it's worth it, because or else if you pay $3 a month per camera and you have like 10 camera, that's like $30 per month. So the $100 per year for unlimited camera, that is a really good deal. Plus you get lifetime warranty on the camera. If it get damaged or stolen, it's a free replacement through Ring. They will send you out a free one. And again, this is the Ring Video Doorbell 2. You could wire it, direct wire, or power it along with a battery. But if you're going to do with wiring, the battery still need to be installed, because what it does is the existing doorbell transformer will charges the battery, so you don't have to remove it. Okay. Okay, guys. Correction on the transformer required for this Ring Doorbell 2. It could be from 8 to 24 volt transformer, and it will charges the battery. For the Ring Doorbell Pro, it has to be a 18 to 24 volt transformer for that Ring Doorbell Pro to power up. Okay, and you have any question or comment, please put it down below. I will try to answer as quick as I can. And see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.